All right, we down here at Lake Bistineau, Camp Bistineau. We about to get on these fish down here with the fisherman, not Mr. Fisherman, the fisherman. You heard me right there? He gonna catch all the fish. He got these boys scared out here. He might go, yeah, a couple. You hear him? He might go professional. He ain't decided yet, but he do it big. We're gonna get out here in this good lake I grew up on, and I'm gonna go back to Virginia. You don't need no big old $80,000 bass boat to catch all the fish in the lake, folks. That's all you need right here. Little bit of get on down the streeter. Ain't that right, D fisherman?
Yeah.
We gonna troll them out there and get them out there in that corner first. See, he ain't got to. You could have stayed on the bank, huh? Look at that property for sale over there. I need to go and get that. That's nice in there, boy. Oh, boy, little baby. Justin, you ain't him. That's nice in there, boy.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what y'all do down here in the boot?
Yes, sir.
All right, D fisherman. Put him on duty. New fishing versus old school fishing. Up and down with the rod. And I'm just gonna slide in there like that. Get in that crack. Get on in there, chunky pan. All this junk done growed up in here. There's a lot of little cover for them, huh?